In this video, we will compare two of the Tamron's compact telephoto zoom lenses. This one is 18 to 400 mm lens. And this is 100 to 400 mm lens. Both the lenses have moisture-resistant construction. They both are compact, but Tamron 18 to 400 mm is lighter in weight, and it is only about 1.5 pounds. The 18 to 400 mm lens has a zoom lock switch. And here are the focus and vibration compensation switches. The 100 to 400 mm lens also has the same controls. The focal length of 18 to 400 mm makes this an all-in-one zoom lens. This 100 to 400 mm is also considered